Okay, today I will share hostgator hosting panel overview. So how can you manage website and create backups and uh, install WordPress? So I'm trying to show you a few things. Okay, so first you need to log in, and after login you just go home and you will get a interface like that. And here you will see the websites that you have already installed. And if you go the cpanel or hosting, here from you can go the cpanel find manager, cpanel email. I think you are familiar with cpanel, so if you think these are very complicated, you can use cpanel. So let's see, if I go to the cpanel, and here we see 1 2 3 4 5 6 website hosted. So let's verify uh, if there is 6 website under the domain. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. We see the 6 domain, 6 website hosted on the cpanel. So now actually we can manage each and everything using this cpanel. We don't need this, but if you think you are login easily without cpanel, then you can use this interface. For example, I want to log in uh, this WordPress. Before if I click on this edit site, then it will access admin account WordPress dashboard. So okay, let's see, click on the setting. Let's see what's actually contains in this settings. Okay, settings contain overview, security. So is there any SSL issue? So you can install SSL from here. Backup, plugins. You can also review your plugins, activate plugin using this, user, speed, domain. You can add domain on here, advanced settings. Okay, these settings you can also uh, uh, edit your domain name, hosting plan. If you want to change PHP version, but it is safe, use cpanel. Cpanel is very easy, and this is very widely using. And if you want to delete the site, then you can delete the site using this. So uh, I'm actually go to the admin panel and take a backup. Okay, just click on the edit site. Okay, I'm in the admin panel. Now I am going to create a backup. You know about all-in-one WP migration. So if there isn't, you just install and click on the export to file. Okay, it's exporting. After few minutes, it will be complete. uh the backup will be complete, and there from you we can download it. Okay, what I can do more here from, you can access the domain. So how can you change the domain name server? For example, this one. So if you want to change the name server, you have to go the name server, and here from you can change the name server. If you want to add the DNS record, you should, you can use using this option. But if there is a hostgator name server, then you can only add records. But if you are using any Cloudflare or any other hosting platform name server, then you can't add any records. So if you want to add records, then you have to set up the default name server. Okay, you will click on the use default name server, then it will be automatically set up. But right now we see already by default name server updated, so that's why this using default name server. Contact information. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, our website backup is ready. Now I want to download this backup on my computer. So after download this backup, I will remove this website and I will add a new HTML website. Okay, I downloaded the backup. Now I'm going to delete the WordPress website. So let's remove, acknowledge this removal exiting file and confirm have saved backup locally. Let's see the cpanel or file manager. Is there anything which is important? I'm actually trying to see is there any backup system. No, there is no by default backup system in the hostgator. So I'm little bit confused, because if I remove this WordPress, then it will be remove this one also, then it create actually very problem. So okay, I'm going to create just this WordPress website. I know the WordPress website file structure. Okay, yeah, this file I am going to delete. Yes, awesome. And now I am going to upload a new file. So the new file I already created. So let's see the location. Okay, I am going to, okay, copy file path. Then I just use this path and let's see. Okay, so I'm going to compress this folder as zip. This folder contains the files. Okay, now I upload the zips here. Yeah, I think this one. Okay, and upload it. Now I am going to export, extract. Yeah, awesome, it extracted and I see the folder here, and this file I select and move this file. Before move, we see the website interfaces look like that. I think this website is not visible right now because I already moved the files. This one also not work. Yeah, okay, but let's see if I move it to the public underscore HTML. Okay, now I see public underscore HTML. Here is the files I updated, and let's uh reload, and I see the new website showing here. Okay, and if you want to install any WordPress website, so then you can easily just add install website, or if you want to use HTML, then you can use this one. So this is very easy to use HostGator. I hope you understand. Thank you.